Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know ग्रुप वन के एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए हैं. पार्टी मोड, यस. के एग्जाम्स खत्म होने के बाद देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ पीपल. ओके, एक वो जो सिर्फ ग्रुप वन दे रहे थे और एक वो जिनका भी ग्रुप टू है. तो दिस वीडियो इज नॉट फॉर दैट दोज पीपल who can study for your group 2 exams right now. You watch this video after your exams. Okay, this video is for those people जिनका ग्रुप वन का एग्जाम्स हो गया है and now they are looking out for classes for group 2. Okay, this is specifically for those people who only gave their group 1 exams and now they're done with their exams and now they're looking out for recommendation for classes for group 2. Okay, congratulations, exams over. आई नो, एक वीक लो, रिलैक्स करो, चिल करो, कहीं घूम के आओ, स्ट्रेस अपना सारा दिमाग फ्री फ्रेश करो एंड देन स्टार्टिंग फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. नाउ सी, देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ पीपल who will be giving group 2 in May. One who have not taken any classes of group 2, and the second who have done their classes but did not complete it, so they gave only group 1. Okay, for those who have taken their classes and completed it or have seen few classes, you have ample of time to complete those classes and start studying for group 2. But for those who are like studying group 2 for the first time, if you don't start right now, you will be struggling at the end. Start right now, you can give the exam and you can clear it, mark my words. It is best for you to take a short break and then start studying for your group 2 paper. If you ask me personally for costing, I would suggest go for Namit Arora sir. Please, please, please. So as the time is less, take his fast track batch and go for Namit Arora sir. Trust me and go for Namit Arora sir. Audit, see, audit, I took classes from Shubham Keshwani sir, but there are also a lot of other teachers available. You should first look at their demo lectures on YouTube and then decide for yourself. The options are Shubham Keshwani sir, Rishabh Jain sir, Neeraj Arora sir. I would recommend go and watch each one demo lectures of all of those teachers and then decide to which teacher suits you, because audit is a very theoretical subject. Whichever teacher you study, you'll have to give your own study time, then only you will be able to clear audit. Okay, and for FMSM, I would suggest for FM go for Namit Arora sir again. He is the best teacher. No one can teach you FM better than him. Okay, go for Namit Arora sir for audit, for FMSM. No, just for FM. And for SMC, I personally studied FM from Swapnil Patni sir, and the classes was really good. So if you want to study SM in a very chill manner, strategic management in a very real life scenario based lectures, you could study from Swapnil Patni sir. Actually telling, I didn't take any classes for strategic management. I studied for strategic management from YouTube. Okay, I took Swapnil Patni sir 5 hour lectures, proper 1 hour lectures, all kind of free stuff that is available on YouTube. I took all those free lectures and I studied for strategic management from YouTube only. I didn't purchase any lecture. Okay, I'll attach all the links in the comment section for you to check out. But strategic management you can manage from YouTube and other things that are available for free. You don't have to purchase any classes for it. But I would suggest for financial management and costing, go for Namit Arora sir. And for audit, you will have to, go and explore a little, uh, watch one demo lecture of every all these teachers and then decide for yourself. Okay, that is from my side. And please, 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 I know you need a little break. Take a 1 week break and then please start studying, or else you'll be struggling at the end and wanting to skip the attempt, which is never good. Okay, will help you clear the attempt in May. Guys, take a week, chill, relax, and then please go purchase your lectures and start watching those lectures. I know starting may we are really excited, so we'll watch lectures, then really slowly the morale decreases I know I'll be there to help you, to motivate you when you're down. But right now, I would want you to go and purchase your lectures and start studying. If you want to become a safe finalist in your upcoming exam, you have to start right now. Okay, starting right now will make sure that you clear your exams in May, or else you'll have to give more exams. Do you really ask yourself, willing to study those same subjects again and giving the exams again? No, no, I know you won't, because I didn't want to. So if you are like me, if you don't want to waste another attempt of yourselves, then go and start studying right now. And that is all I wanted to convey in this video. If you need my help in any kind, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. It is at the rate Dishika Ketia. You can find me there and you can contact me on LinkedIn if you have any kind of doubt regarding classes, regarding articleship, regarding anything related to CA. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll be there to help you out with your stuff. And until then, keep studying, keep hydrated. See you in the next one. Bye.